Are you tired of sitting down at work all day or even at home? Well, then you probably need a standing desk. So let's check that out. Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at a standing desk from the company ErGear. They make a lot of different products that benefit your health in your office space or even at home. And you know, in every single episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and a test. So let's get over to doing that. Brad, open that desk.
Alright, let's get this electric standing desk out of the box. Mina's gonna hang out and help. Ain't you, girl? Right on the top, we've got some styrofoam. Underneath the styrofoam, we have got all of our parts. A lot of attachments, all labeled with different letters like these, K, I, J. All right, we have one of the legs and the feet that will go onto it, and the other leg with the motor and the plug that goes to the motor. And we have a small box with our AC adapter inside. Right here they're giving us some tools, also with some letters labeling them. Right here we have the menu laid out. Then underneath this foam, we have the table top. Right here. So you get a good idea at what comes right out of the box. We're gonna get this assembled now and take a good look at it.
This is the ErGear standing desk. It's outstanding stability. The desk stays stable even when pushed by someone. Also, during the lowering and uplifting motion, it stays stable. You won't have a shaky experience. It won't distract you from your focus while working or gaming. You can lean on the desk, even do a push-up on it on its edges. And that's when it's at full height. Everything on the desk will stay safe and stable. The sturdy solid frame and all the connectors have been tested over 100,000 times, and it stays in great shape. So it's prepared for the wear and tear. It has a smooth and wide height adjustment experience. It fits most people's height from a range of around 28.34 inches up to 46.46 inches. The 3 custom heights that come on it allow you to instant press access to your height as you need it. It comes with an uprated motor, so it's built for long lasting use. It's been tested over 50,000 times with a load of 176 pounds, and the desk still functioned. And that's right, I said 176 load capacity, so it supports and effectively lifts multiple monitors, computers, books, and more. The desk is able to detect obstructions and rebounds to avoid damage to the desk and other objects. So smart anti-collision system. And you can have a breath of fresh air around this desk. And by that I mean it meets all EPA and CARB safe air standards with low emissions of VOCs like formaldehyde. Dual cable access holes and storage hooks. And it comes in 3 rich colors: the pitch black, the natural, or the rustic brown to suit your style and space. ErGear, thank you guys so much for making such an awesome product. This should benefit people, especially right now where everyone's staying at home and even learning to remote work. If you're a remote worker, then you probably need to stand a little more often, so try getting a standing desk and ErGear might be the solution. But thanks for watching, guys. I've been your host Matthew, and don't forget, if you can leave a comment below, let us know what you thought of this episode and if you use any kind of things like this in your office or home space. And if you see a bell, click it for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next review.